Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a toggle button. Let's see demo. If I press this button, the button is on. See, the text is changed to the Bluetooth is on, and when I off this button, the button is off. Let's start. First of all, I will remove this constraint layout and use here a linear layout. I delete this text view. We'll take here a toggle button. I use the gravity to center and orientation to vertical. I will give ID to a toggle button, that is 58. Below this toggle button, I add a text view. I will give ID to text view, text view. See, our design part is completed. Let's work with the main activity.java. I have to find out the IDs of this component. Toggle button, view by ID or ID dot button btn. Text view, find view by ID or ID dot text. Now if we press this button, the text will be changed. Therefore we are using the method toggle button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Here we have to use the conditions. If we press the button is on, the text will be changed to the Bluetooth is the button is on, and else in the else part, if we press the button to the off, the text will be changed to the button is off. Use this if condition toggle button dot is checked. In this if condition, we will changing the text, that is a text view dot set text, that is button is on. Here else text view dot set text button is off. The work is done. If we press the button is on. If the button is on, the text will be shown button is on. If we press the button to off, the text will be changed to the button is off. Let's run our application. See, our application is launched. Let's test. If I press this button, see, the button is on, the text is changed. If I off this button, the text is changed to the button is off.